Winters in India is at its peak. Mercury is constantly dropping in almost all the parts of the country, especially in Delhi NCR. Delhi today, that is on 5th January, recorded the lowest temperature of 2.8 degrees Celsius, which is said to be lower than most of the hill stations. This temperature, that is of 2.8 degrees Celsius, was the lowest temperature in the month of January in the last 2 years in Delhi. IMD scientist Dr. R.K. Jainamani said that today, that is 5th January, is the coldest day of the season. Safdarjung and INA recorded the lowest temperatures of 4.4 degrees Celsius. The temperature has been recorded similar to the cold spell between December 25th to 27th. The fog has reduced visibility all over North India. Many trains are also running late owing to the dense fog and visibility level today. Around 12 trains are running late and 2 trains were rescheduled in the Northern Railway region due to the fog. Around 21 flights were delayed in Delhi on Thursday. The Delhi airport also issued a fog alert for its passengers and said that low visibility procedures are in progress at IGI. Following the snowfall in some areas of Uttarakhand, the icy winds have increased the chills in the plain. The day temperature in the state remains low. No major relief is expected in Rajasthan from the severe cold wave. The Jammu and Kashmir Valley is reeling under sub-zero temperature as the mercury dropped below freezing point for the third consecutive day. Himachal Pradesh is also witnessing severe cold wave conditions, with snowfall also reported in several districts of the state. Locals are struggling amid the extremely low temperature conditions, snowfall, especially during the peak tourist season.
दिक्कत तो है ही, वो हल्का फुल्का बर्फबारी यहाँ पे हुआ था 31 और 1 तारीख के करीब करीब। उसके बाद से ठंड बढ़ ही रही है, कम नहीं हो रही है और आग सेक के गुजारा सब लोग कर रहे हैं।
किस तरह की ये ठंड है, किस तरह की दिक्कतें हैं?
दिक्कतें काम करने में बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है। स्पेशली दिक्कत काम की भी उतनी नहीं आ रही जितना कि टूरिस्ट का आ रहा है। सारा टूरिस्ट मनाली या फिर जहाँ पे पासेज है उस तरफ ज़्यादा जा रहा है, तो काम भी नहीं है और ठंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ रही है।
यहाँ पे देखो बहुत ठंड हो जाती है सुबह और शाम को, तो जैसे पानी रहता है रोड पे तो वो जमना शुरू हो जाता है, गाड़ी की फिसलन बढ़ जाती है। बाकी यहाँ पे ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा है।
टेम्परेचर की बात करें तो क्या होगा?
हाँ, टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम 3 या 4 बजे के बाद मतलब माइनस ही जाता है।
तो किस तरह की ये दिक्कतों का सामना?
दिक्कत यही बस ठंड ज़्यादा है। देखो आग जला के सेक रहे हैं, बस ठंड को थोड़ा दूर भगा रहे।
आग जला के गुजारा करते हैं।
हाँ, आज आग जला के गुजारा कर रहे हैं।
The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that the dense fog conditions and the cold wave situation will continue over the entire country for the next 3 to 4 days. The IMD has also issued a red alert for the next 48 hours, fearing that the temperatures might drop further, and it has urged people to stay indoors as much as possible. This was Alina Ijaz from One India News.